Hi, in this video I will show you that how you can create 3 typographic titles animation in After Effects that you can use in your videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First, create a new composition and rename it as min title 1. Type your title. Go to text and here animate. Click on tracking. In the range selector, advance, change the character to words. Close it. Here add property. We are going to add 2 properties. First one is position and second one is opacity. Change the opacity to 0. Change the position to 141. Now on the range selector, keyframe start and offset. And on 2 seconds, change them both to 100. Select keyframes F9 to easy ease them. Okay, so our first title animation is done. Duplicate this text and change the fill to stroke. Change the stroke to 3 and move it a little here. In this way, our first title animation is ready. Create a new composition and rename it as main title 2. Type in your title. You can change the color and font. Now again duplicate this text. Parent the source text of this duplicate layer to the first layer. Because we have done this, if we are going to change the text, then it will be automatically changed in the other layer. Again duplicate this, animate, tracking, and in the advance, change it to characters excluding space, add property, opacity, and change it to 0. Keyframe the start and offset, and on around 1 second and 10 frames. Select keyframes F9 to easy ease them. Add another property, blur. Once this title has appeared, parent these with the first layer. In the position, scale keyframe it and change it to 110. And in this point, the above 2 text layer, position, keyframe it. And easy ease all these keyframes. Create a null object. Parent the first layer with this null. And center align it. Keyframe the position. Now you can see our second title animation is ready. Create a new composition. Add your text. Change stroke to fill. Create a shape layer and draw a mask around it. And change the track matte to alpha matte. Use position and around 1 second. Now duplicate this animation text and in position y-axis make it go above it, and with the help of shape layer draw a mask and change the track matte to alpha matte. Change the position like this. Okay, so one issue is that the second text appear very fast. We need to decrease the speed. Select the position keyframe, open graph editor and change it to edit speed graph. And change the graph like this. So we have a slow speed at the end duplicate these both two layers, change the position, and go a little above, change the position of the mask. Select the animation text tool, change its opacity to 50, and for 3, change it to 25. So these after final tweaks, our text animation is ready. And create a new adjustment layer and use effect transform. And once this text appear at this point, keyframe the scale and around 10 to 15 frames, increase the size, F9 to easy ease. So these will be our 3 short title animations that you can use in your projects. I hope that this tutorial will help you to create your own title animations. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video. Bye bye.